Yo guys, what is up? It is Kento from TheRealmOfTheGeek here again to do another episode of how to code Bukkit plugins. So yeah, today what we are going to be doing is asterixing out words. So when you type like, this is a bad server, it will blur out bad, because that is our bad word here. So yeah, and we'll also be doing it, so if you type B-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-D, it'll still blur it out. Or if you do B-B-B-A-A-A-D-D-D, it'll still blur it out. Any form of that letter, or of that word, will be blurred out. As long as it does not have spaces in it, which we'll get into it next episode, hopefully. So yeah, that's about all I have to say for this intro part. So let's get right into the coding. Alright, so real quick, before we get into the actual tutorial for this episode, since yesterday's recording messed up and did not show you how to create a new package or plugin, I'm going to do that now. So what you want to do is right click in the package explorer, new Java project. Name this whatever you want. I'll just name mine ChatGuard test. And now you'll see that it creates a ChatGuard test here. So what you want to do is you can either expand it or whatever, and then right click on source, new class, go up here to package, and then type com.yourname dot and then the name of the plugin. So mine, oh, I messed up. It's ChatGuard test. And yeah, that's that. And then you want to go to main and type in main with a capital M. And that's all you have to do here. What you want to do now is right click on the ChatGuard, properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, and choose your latest version of Spigot that your server is running currently. Hit apply, okay. And now, you guys have figured it out now, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright, so, one more quick thing is you're going to want to change, these two lines that replace the dot and the comma with just replace, not replace all. That will break it in this episode. Save it and re-export it. Now on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so coming up back into Eclipse, we will be working in the same workspace as we were working yesterday, so if you did miss that video, go over there, check it out, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so starting off, you're going to want to go to where it says message equals message, dot replace all, and then hit enter, and then again type message equals message dot replace all, and then this string I will have in the description down below for you to use. It has to be exactly this, and this is what makes it so when you type in an extended word, so like /BBAADD, it'll only make it so it's one letter, so it'll make it bad instead of bad. Alright, so coming into this for loop, we're going to want to go into the if statement, hit enter a few times, and then int BW, this will stand for bad word, and then we're going to want to do equals bad word dot length. Alright, so what this will do is we'll get the bad word length, so right now it would be BAD, and it would say, okay, so there's 3 characters in that, so then I'll make int BW equals 3. So that's pretty much how that works. So then after this, we're going to want to do string MSG, and that's all, just no equals or anything. And then, right here, MSG equals string utils dot repeat, and then the oh, come on, get away from there. The Asterix, or you can make this any letter, so if you want to just make it all X's the word, or any A's or anything, I just like to use asterixes, but that's just my personal preference, because it looks the best. And then we're going to replace it, we're going to repeat it for the length of bad words, so it'll repeat 3 times. So just to get it more clear, it's what's the letter you want to repeat, and how many times you want to repeat it. Okay. So, now then, we're going to want to do this. We're going to want to delete the e.setCancelTrue and the p.sendMessage, and replace that with message equals message.replace, oh, come on, replace all bad word with MSG. Because as you can see here, we set MSG to all asterixes. Add a semicolon, and then do e.set message, because that's what we're saying the message to. Alright, so that is it for asterixes. So yeah, just to do a final repeat rundown. Message equals message.replaceAll. This replaces all the B, 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 A, 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 D, 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 which is bad. And int BW equals badword.length makes it so it gets the bad word and then it prints out the length of that word. So in our case, bad equals 3. And then we create a string called MSG, and then we set MSG to string utils.repeat, and then the letter we want to repeat, in which case ours is asterisk or star, and then the amount of times you want to repeat it. So technically you could put 10 here if you just wanted to make every word go 10 long, but that's not what we want. We want it to be the exact length of the word. So that's why we have this integer up here, because it gets the length and then it puts the length down here. And then we replace the message with a bad word, and then we replace in the message bad word, and we replace it with the asterisks, and then we set the message to the message that contains the asterisks. And that is all. So now, what you can do is right-click ChatGuard, export, next, go to the file location of your plugins, name it whatever you want. I named my ChatGuard, and hit finish. Yes, you want overwrite, and yes, that is okay. And that is all. So I will see you guys back in game. Make sure it all works. Alright, so now that we have completed the plugin and we've exported, we're going to want to do /rl to reload it. The server, sorry. And now what we're going to want to do is bad, it'll block it. b.a.d still blocks it. b.a.d.d. still blocks it. So yeah, thank you all so very much for watching. This has been TheRealmOfTheGeek. Sorry about those 2 little problems that we had in the last episode, but yeah, we fixed them all this time. So thank you all so very much for watching. This has been Kento from TheRealmOfTheGeek, and I will see you all next time. If you want an incredible server hoster that can host just about anything, use GG Servers. Link on screen and in the description down below.